I've got a little bit of a different unboxing today. I have been waiting for this to come in the mail for some time, and it's finally here. And this, I believe, is called Cefaly, and it is for the treatment and prevention of migraines. So my doctor prescribed this for me, and it does need to be prescribed. So you cannot buy this without a prescription. Just kind of making sure that I kind of have any of the address stuff covered up there. But I just got it in the mail, and I'm so excited to start it. So I thought I would show it to you, because I know that in my journey here to deal with the headaches, I have tried a lot of things and learned about a lot of things, and I just want to share with you as I'm learning, because I did not know about this until my doctor shared it with me. So what it is, if you can see, this is kind of the shape of the head there. This little device sits right in the center, so I guess basically where the third eye is, of the forehead, just above the nose. And you wear it, and I think you wear it for like 30 minutes a day, every day, and it is to help train. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it's like a TENS unit, and I do have a TENS unit, but I don't ever put it on my head because it's too strong. This is supposed to be better. So let's open it up. So I guess that is it. Oh, it comes with a little charging port, so that's good. It's rechargeable. The TENS unit I have takes batteries, so no batteries required. And not sure what the electrode is for. Let's see if there's some instructions here. Yes. So I like to skip right past the important directions, right to the pictures of what it's being used for. Do not use while sleeping, in the bath, or shower. It says migraines indicate you have a serious medical condition. You should have them checked by the doctor. Well, yes. Yes. I think that's what this is for. Let's see. So there must be more pieces under here. Oh, another book. Oh, stick the electrode to the forehead. Position the device. Okay, so it looks like it's a two-part. It's like the never-ending. It's just must just be a case. Let's see. Oh, the charger and an extra electrode. So let's see if we can. This must be what goes to the forehead. 20 minutes at a time. And then you stick this straight on it. Okay, so it doesn't actually come in contact with your skin, which is what I thought it did. It connects to this. All right. So the goal is that I'm supposed to wear this 20 minutes every day, and it's supposed to help reduce the severity and frequency of the migraines. But also, I think you are supposed to, I can put it on when I'm having one and use it for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I don't know. So more reading, but If you have migraines and you have never heard of this, it is worth checking out. I'm going to be checking out because it's one less non-invasive or non-medication that I can try. So I will be testing this out, and I will keep you up to date on how it's working.